buddies, I am RJ Jeshwan, grade 4B from Rimbach Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Aurobindo. A perfect picture in a perfect frame. This fairy artistry could not keep his will. Only a moment's fine release it. Gave a careless hour was spent in a slight bliss. Thank you, boy.
Hello buddies! Now welcome to Shiklat 6A from Mehmet's Garden. Today's Karmyogi Appa message. The rare adventure of rising the mind to the super mind refers to the dispensing of the methods. Methods are there to overcome the structures of the intervening layers. Should they be dissolved in silence, the mind can directly rise to the supermind. Thank you. Bye.
Hello buddies, I am your RJ Geetesh Kalki, grade 5B from Brumbat's Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. I am a father of all fruits. What I am? Answer, papaya. Next, வாங்க விதுகதை. யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். என்பதும் மேலே போகும். ஆனால் என்பது வாராது. விடை வயது. And if you enjoyed today's riddle, don't forget to like, comment and share. Press the bell icon so you don't miss out our next show, where we'll bring you more fun and tricky logical questions. Until then, this is your RJ Geetesh Karki, grade 5B from Primbat's Garden School, signing off. Stay curious, stay smart and keep smiling. In the next episode, we have more amazing logical questions coming up. Don't miss it. Bye.